Alright, so we broke down again. Lost all our coolant. Thank God for these people here. Let us park here. We was in the middle of the road. These people here, I don't know who you are, but shout out to you, man. You're a blessing. So
we'll put their name in the comment.
Yeah, we'll put their name in the description, man. So what we got cooking up here, Louis?
Coolant hose broke
off the compressor.
Yeah.
And it just pissed out all the coolant. So we came up with some invention here.
Good thing we have fittings.
You know, this is why you gotta have tools and all kinds that you don't know. Like popped right here, right off. So we made a new fitting from an air hose. Then this guy here has water. So he's gonna let us use the water so we can make it to a truck stop to fill it up with antifreeze. Let's see if this is gonna work. I think it's gonna work. What do you think?
I think it should be fine.
Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Yeah, so we basically had to cut one of these, cut this off to get to that. That way we could fit it inside the hose, crimp it, and put the other new hose that we use from an air hose. That's why you gotta have spare air hoses, which right here. So I have it right here. So then cut it there. We're gonna have to cut back a little more so we can put it like this, from there to there, like that, something like that. So we'll update you, let you know how it works out. So that didn't work. Well, it was gonna work, but when we went to do this line, the bottom piece broke here. Now I gotta figure that one out. Fun times. Welcome to trucking, man. Welcome to trucking. Okay, so we figured it out. Open this piece up down here. Now I'm putting a clamp on it. Ran the hose directly, so let's see if this is gonna work. Stay tuned to find out. Shout out to this place, man. It's a pallet company down here in Tampa, man. This place here, man, really saved us. Gave us water, you know, so we can make it to a truck stop, fill it up with coolant. The fan's working. I'm just testing it out now. It should be good. We'll do an update.